All right, welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're looking into a brand you've probably seen online, Raith Clothing. They're a menswear brand, very focused on this minimalist style, high-quality essentials.
And their marketing is just, it's everywhere. The promise
Yeah.
of premium quality, but without that crazy designer price tag.
Exactly. They talk a lot about simplicity and mindful consumption. You know, the idea of buying fewer things, but better things.
It's a really compelling pitch. And that brings us to our mission for today.
Let's do it.
Is Raith Clothing actually a legitimate company delivering on that promise? Or is it, just another one of those polished online scams we see all the time?
Right. We need to figure out if the quality and the whole experience actually lives up to the marketing.
Okay, so first things first, let's look at the technical side. And honestly, they pass with flying colors.
Really?
Yeah. The website, wraith-allele.com, it's been active for about 7 years.
Wow. Okay. So that's a long time. That's a pretty big indicator right there that they're not just some pop-up shop trying to take your money.
It absolutely is. And what's fascinating here is that a site like Scam Advisor, it gives them 100, a perfect high trust rating.
100%.
100%. It's based on all the technical data. So this strongly suggests they are a legitimate company. It's safe to buy from them.
Okay. So they passed the scam test. But here's where it gets really interesting for me. Technical safety is one thing, but what's the actual customer experience like?
And that's where you find this huge disconnect.
How so?
Well, you look at reviews on places like Trustpilot, and you see a lot of customers who genuinely love the product. They say the clothes are stylish, they're well-made, the quality's there. They completely back up the brand's promise.
Wait. So if the clothes are great, then what's the problem? Why all the mixed reviews?
It's the operations, the logistics.
Because I'm thinking, if you're dedicated to this whole philosophy, like building a capsule wardrobe, waiting weeks, maybe months, for a basic piece it completely defeats the purpose, doesn't it?
It does.
I mean, isn't poor customer service and really slow shipping a fundamental betrayal of that whole mindful consumption idea?
It's a profound disconnect, and the sources show that the complaints they're very consistent. It's almost always about huge delays in shipping or just totally unresponsive customer service when something goes wrong.
So it's not just a few angry people. This is a pattern.
It's a pattern. It's an operational hurdle that I think really undermines the brand's core value. The clothes might be designed to last a decade, but the service sometimes feels like fast fashion.
So, okay, if we put this all together, Raith is a real company. They're making high-quality stuff. But their operations are, let's just say they haven't caught up.
That's a perfect way to put it. You're buying a premium product, but you're also taking on the risk of slow delivery and poor support if anything goes wrong.
So the takeaway for you is pretty clear. Raith is real, but you have to be aware of the service issues. The advice from the sources is simple. Before you buy anything, read the absolute most recent customer reviews.
Exactly. See what people are saying right now about their shipping times and service.
See if they've gotten any better.
Right. Which I think raises a really important final question here. Given the brand's whole promise of mindful consumption, fewer, better things, how much longer are customers going to be willing to put up with imperfect shipping for that quality?
Yeah, how long can a brand built on being deliberate and slow afford to have logistical headaches that just make people frustrated?
Something for you to mull over. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive.